welcome to my channel C Tech. Here I am your Siddhant Sharma. Today we are going to talk about the Pi coin, which is new cryptocurrency. Earlier there was Bitcoin that was also the same like this Pi coin. So how to download this one? Go to the Play Store, click Pi network, and after that install it and run that application. To run this one, you need the invitation code, and that's on your left hand side, Sid Sharma Pi 1. So see, you can see there 6 million pioneers are there who already download this app and they are in this Pi coin. So Pi network is all about mining the Pi coins, and in near future you can use that coin like a Bitcoin. So many of the people are talking about that this Pi coin is scam, because some people call this project a scam and others believe it to be the next Bitcoin. I don't think this is scam, because they are not asking money with you and they are not promising the moon in the next month. When you install this app, it will not consume your battery or data. The project simply aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to all the consumers, even to those without any specialized mining risks. That in our mind is a good goal to have in crypto space. This is not damn sure that you can use this coin in near future, because it has no value right now, or you cannot purchase anything legally. Up to now, this Pi app is downloaded more than 5 million times. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, head of technology, is a Stanford PhD and instructor of Stanford, first decentralized this cryptocurrency to everyday people. How much the Pi worth? So we are going to talk about the how much is the Pi worth now. So based on the different analysis, this might be worth on near future, but I cannot provide the guarantee to you. And mining this Pi is worth to you. Is it benefit or not? This is not using your money, battery or data. I see downside in participating in the ecosystem might be benefit, because if you invite 10 friends, then your mining rate will be high. So you are thinking that when you can use your Pi coin, so you have to wait for the mainnet launch and go through a know your customer verification process to be able to move your Pi coins. And in near future you might get something from this Pi coin, which might be valuable as Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin was introduced in 2009, that time they don't know that the Bitcoin price will be high or it will be this much valuable now. So today's rate, one Bitcoin equals to $11,161. So see, they don't know this thing that it will be this much valuable on this year 2020. So this might also be same like the Bitcoin. So there is nothing to give, so you can earn something or you can mine right now, and you in the near future you can gain something, or you can use to buy some items or things. So this is the all for today, and now I am going to show you how to share this one to your friends, so your mining rate will be high. So go to there and you can send one Pi to your friend. You can go to the Messenger or Facebook, anything, Snapchat, and you can share, and they will use your invitation code and your mining rate will be high. Thanks a lot for watching. See you. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share it.